A partial sum of an arithmetic sequence is given. Find the sum. So if we want to find the sum, the partial sum of a arithmetic sequence, I need to know what the common difference is first. So what I can do is I can take one of these terms and subtract it from another term. So in other words, I will take 81 and subtract 85. And if I subtract those, I end up getting negative 4. So my common difference is actually negative this time. And I'm going to say A is going to be my first term, which is 89. So knowing those two bits of information, I should be able to finish this off. So we have two equations. We have the partial sum, which is n over 2, 2a plus n plus 1 d. And then the other one is going to be n a plus a sub n divided by 2. On this video, I'm going to find the sum using both of these equations so you can know how to use both of them. So what I need to do for both of these is I need to find what n is. So I need to find what term does this lie on. So I know that a sub n equals a plus n minus 1 d. And a sub n, so I want to know what 13 lies on. And this will be a, which is going to be 89, plus n minus 1 d, which is going to be negative 4, multiplied by negative 4. So I'm going to solve this equation for n. So I'm going to subtract 89 to both sides. 89 subtract 13. Well, this is going to be 76. So it's going to be negative 76 equals n minus 1 multiplied by negative 4. Now, since it's multiplying by negative 4, I'm going to divide by negative 4. So 76 divided by 4. So this is 1, 4, 3, 6. 36 divided by 4 is 9. So that's going to be 19. So this will be 19 equals n minus 1. So if I add 1, I end up getting 20 equals n. So 13, a sub 20 is 13. So in other words, this is my 20th term if I count all of these. So just to give a little more information, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to. I can rewrite this summation as a summation as k goes from 1 to 20, now that I know that this is the 20th term, of a, which is going to be 89, plus k minus 1 multiplied by my common difference. Once again, this isn't needed. I just wanted to make sure I put this in the video. So now what I can do is I can use all this information that I have right here to put it into these equations. So s sub 20, since I know that it's the 20th term, is going to be n, which is 20, over 2, multiplied by 2 times a, which is 89, plus 20, which is n, plus 1, multiplied by d, which is going to be negative 4. So this will give me 20 divided by 2, which is 10. 89 multiplied by 2 is 178. Plus 19 multiplied by negative 4. So I have 10 multiplied by 178 plus 19 times 4, 36, 4, 5, 6, 7, so that's 76. So this ends up giving me 178 minus 76. So that's going to be 10 multiplied by 2, 102, which is going to be 1020. So that is my partial sum. Now I'm going to use this equation and see if I get the same thing. Once again, I know it's the 20th term. So this equals 20 multiplied by my first term, which is 89, plus my last term, which is 13, all over 2. So I have 89 plus 13. So that's 102. So I get 20 multiplied by 102 divided by 2. And to make things easier, I'm going to divide these both by 2. So that's 2, that's 1. So I end up getting 10 times 102, which is 1020. So it looks like most of the time this is the easiest equation to use. But there will be some times when I don't know my last term, and this will end up being my easier equation. But if they give you the last term like they did here, this will be the easier one.